By now, you probably know the flu, COVID, and RSV are on the rise in our region. In response, San Diego County is now rolling out a new tool to track respiratory illness in our community. ABC 10 News reporter Sierra Encinas breaks down the goal of the reports.
The county's new report is to keep the community updated on the germs spreading around us. And while that's always a good thing to know, there is a way that you can prevent getting the worst of COVID-19 and the flu. It's getting vaccinated. More and more people are reaching for the tissue box. County data shows nearly 1,700 people have caught the flu and more than 86,600 have battled COVID-19 since July of this year. The growing number of respiratory illness is a trend medical experts knew was coming after watching flu patterns in Australia.
2 weeks ago, we started seeing the evidence of this. Started with the high schools. We were saying all of a sudden a lot of people called out sick. And we were tracking all along, but we started to see an increase in influenza.
Dr. Will Sang is with Kaiser Permanente. He says the county's newly launched Respiratory Virus Surveillance Report is a tool that tells a lot.
That's what these reports can do. They can give us a little glimpse of what is to come, and hopefully we can avoid the worst of it.
He says what he's seeing in the hospital is more RSV cases, not the flu, but that doesn't mean kids aren't catching the flu. The report shows 50% of those sick with the flu this year are kids between the ages of 5 and 17, whereas last year, adults 18 to 49 accounted for half of the flu cases.
It's not wrong that we want to get kids back together. It's not wrong that we want to learn from a teacher directly in a face-to-face. I think those are all good things. What we do want to do is make that environment as safe as possible.
Dr. Sang is urging the community to get vaccinated. More than 209,000 people have been boosted, while nearly 495,000 have gotten the flu shot so far this year. Dr. Sang adds to do what your parents told you to prevent getting sick. Wash your hands and stay home when you're sick. Sierra Encinas, ABC 10 News.